Hi everyone, let me show you quickly how easy it is to set conditional visibility for your pick list values. So this is not just for the fields itself. So for example, if I want to set conditional visibility for this field, I can use the visibility filter settings and set a basic visibility really easily and quickly, just selecting any fields here. I can say I make this field visible only when the name is Hakan, for example. I can do it for the field at the field level. But I have some pick lists and I want to make pick list values conditionally visible. So for this one, for example, let's say I have the account source pick list and I have the account type pick list. And I want account source pick list values conditionally visible based on account types field values. To do that, you just need to click on account source. You're on the dependent pick list. And here we have the configure dependency setting. You just need to click on configure dependency and select your controller field. In our case, our controller field is going to be account type. And it shows me, okay, these are the values you have for the controller field. These are the values you have for the dependent field. And I say, when the user selects analyst for the account type, make these two values visible on this pick list field. If they select competitor, make these two fields visible. If they select customer, make these four fields visible. If they select integrator, make these three fields visible. And if they select investor, make these four visible. And there are many fields actually. I'm not going to use all of them, but you understand how this works, right? You select for which value on the controller side you want which ones to be visible on the dependent side. You do that matching really easily, quickly, and you say okay. And if I save my form, and as you see, everything is happening natively in your org. You don't need to do any field mappings for your fields, or you don't need to publish anything. They're all ready. We just set our conditional visibility settings, conditions, basically, for these two pick lists. I did that, and if I refresh my form here, account type and account source, if I select analyst, two available, competitor, two other available, customer, four, integrator, three visible only, investor, four visible only, partner, I didn't select anything, right? I just ended in there. So, but here, as you see, for all the values I selected, certain values are visible on my dependent pick list. So this is how easy and quick. Again, you can do this at the field level already. As I showed you, if I enter Hakan, for example, for the account name, another field is going to be visible. But at the same time, you can set visibility conditions at the pick list value level as well in BreezyBit forms. This is how you do it, and it's really quick and easy again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.